Upbeat music playing. Visual, aerial shot of a modern farm with robots working in the fields. Welcome to the future of farming! Today, we're diving into the incredible world of agricultural robots and how they're revolutionizing the way we grow our food. Visual, close-up of a robot planting seeds with precision. Imagine robots planting seeds with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring every plant gets the perfect start. These machines are designed to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. Visual, robots harvesting crops. Narrator, voiceover. Harvesting has never been easier. With advanced sensors and AI, these robots can identify ripe crops and pick them at the perfect time, reducing spoilage and increasing yield. Visual, robots monitoring crops with drones. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors fly over fields, providing real-time data on crop health. This allows farmers to make informed decisions and address issues before they become problems. And Scene 5. Visual, robots applying fertilizers and pesticides. Precision is key. Robots can apply fertilizers and pesticides exactly where needed, reducing the environmental impact and ensuring healthier crops. Scene 6. Visual, farmers interacting with robots. These innovations are not just about efficiency, they're about empowering farmers. With robots handling repetitive tasks, farmers can focus on strategy and innovation. Closing scene. Visual, a beautiful sunset over a futuristic farm. The future of farming is here, and it's powered by robots. Join us on this journey as we explore more groundbreaking technologies transforming agriculture. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content from AI Film Forge. Upbeat music fades out. End screen. Visual, AI Film Forge, logo with a subscribe button and video recommendations.